What's up, gang, 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 gang? Listen, it's wash day, so pay me no mind, okay? Okay, I had to wash my hair. I'll probably curl this tonight. Maybe I will, maybe I don't. Just want to show you all that I did end up bumping my hair. If you see a flaw, so what? I am not a hairdresser. But yeah, I bumped it out. It's a little cute or whatever. And I did my brows. On period though. Okay, gang. Back to the video. But this is not what that video is about. What I've been waiting for. So I'm doing some unboxing right now. And stay tuned. Y'all just gotta see. Y'all just gotta see. Next, this is coming out and that's coming out. That thing, let me tell you something. I had it for 8 months and it's going out on me. First thing that I want to open is JV Cosmetics. This packaging is everything, y'all. I love it so much. JV Cosmetics is it's a cosmetic line, but right now she just she's starting off with the brows. And it comes with a pencil with the spoolie, which is a plus. Let me tell you something. As a makeup artist, having a spoolie with the brow pencil is everything. This is super little, so you can perfect it. Oh, wow, look. You can go up and down. I know with, my hair is so crazy. I know with MAC, their spike, I don't know if they new spike don't do it or not, but I know with their spike pencil you can go up, but you cannot go down. Next, it comes with a concealer brush, a small side and a bigger side. You know, you use that to clean your brows. I should do my brows, but I don't feel like it, y'all. And then we have the brow gel. Brow gel is made to keep your hair in place, so it's all going one way. It'll be nice and perfect for you. All right, so moving along. Excuse me, Papa. So we're gonna put that up. And next, I have some Valentino Cosmetics. Let me tell you something, okay? I absolutely love Valentino Cosmetics. They have not done me wrong. Even when I had got some bad stuff, some bad acrylic, they had no problem shipping it out right away. And I enjoyed their sale, okay? I always enjoy cosmetic sales because this stuff is not cheap, okay? It's not cheap. One gel is $15. So, you know, it adds up, okay? It adds up. So, first color I got is like this purple color. It's like a purple and it has like a shimmer to it. You see? That's so pretty. I gotta make room for my Valentino collection. This is all Valentino at the bottom. And then like some anonymous stuff. So yeah, I gotta make room for that. I also got, and I think, what was these on sale for? I think they were either $12 or $8. One of them. And I also got this purple here. So pretty, y'all. Next I had got some top coat. I love their top coat. It's stain resistant. So I just got 2 of these that I'm gonna put in my top coat area. And then I got some acrylic, a 107. It's like a, I think it's like a peach color. Peach or pink. 107, you can kind of see it. It's like a pastel. So I'm just gonna put that in my drawer here. I might use it later because old girl about to do her nails. Okay. All right. Last but not least, some acrylic. I got Prettiest Pink, Glamorous Nudes, Victoria's number 6. Got some crystal clear. Girl, it's getting better. I'm going on my 8th month of business, and I just want to say thank you to everybody for rocking out with me. I have clients who've been with me since day one, and I just want to say thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for having patience with me. I've been getting really good, and practice makes perfect. I'm so excited for what the future holds for my nail career, girl. So I'm rambling. Let's go on to my next package. 7th Harmony package first, okay? So of course this what came in my last package is my sage, my salt bath, a few little other things, some oil for my bath, and but what I had just got is the candle. She did a sale for Black Friday. It was buy 2 get 1 free, so I took advantage of that. These are gifts here, so I will not be burning them. They're so pretty. So first we have inner peace. First, let's talk about these jars. I love these jars. I do have a candle that I had for myself. It's somewhere down there, but as soon as you open it, it just smells so good. It has like dry flowers, crystals in it. This blue one is called Inner Peace. My next one that I have is Inner Goddess, which is this beautiful pink one. Look at that, guys. So pretty. So pretty and worth it. It's so beautiful when it burns. It smells really good when it burns. Like some candles, you know, you can't smell good, but these candles smell really good. And I just love to see, like, with all that stuff in it, with the fire burning, the smell going, it's like, it's really relaxing. It's peaceful, I'm not gonna lie. But the next one is Protection. And inside, I forget what this stone is called, but all the stones mean something that's inside the candle. I think it's tourmaline. I don't know. I'm getting there. I'm learning, y'all. I'm learning. So that's Protection. It's not all that glamorous because, you know, it's black, but it smells really good. And my last but not least is Loving. And look how pretty that is, guys. Oh, that's so pretty. I believe these are rose quartz in here with the dry flowers. That's so pretty. And all of them have like glitter at the bottom. It's so pretty. What do you say, Papa? I had my package from Youngnails. Youngnails. I'm so excited, guys. Like, they were probably like the only ones that I really wanted to get to sell. I'm not gonna lie. I was plotting, I was waiting. I was there at 11:59 waiting for them to open up the doors at 12 o'clock online to catch the sale, because if I didn't catch the sale, I was going to be very disappointed. Because you know how sales is, people don't be having product and they say, oh, we dropping our sell at 12 o'clock, and then come 12:04 they sold out. Not Youngnails. And I actually think they did it for 7 days, if I'm not mistaken. Youngnails, I was right away. It was very easy for me to work with the acrylic. Speaking of acrylic, I had got Speed Clear. I never tried this before, the frosted pink. And let's see, I got their UV light. As the beginning of the video, I was telling you guys that my UV light was acting up on me. It wasn't drying, the gel polish. It was very, very frustrating. It was going out on me. So this came right into this. It's really small. I didn't think it was that small. And next we have that. Oh my God, guys. So they came out with 3 new acrylics. Stop playing with me. Stop playing. They came out with 3 new acrylics, and one is called Cherry Blossom, and they came in this size. I think this is what, 45 grams. So Cherry Blossom, and it was a trio. I'm not for sure if you can purchase it like individually, but for the sale it was a trio. And then this is Cover Flamingo, the one I'm super excited about. I'll probably be doing my nails with that. And our last one is Speed Bubblegum. And last but not least, my baby. I was like really excited for this one because the one that I had, honestly, I just feel like it's like it was just very bulky. It took a lot of space up on my desk. I did like this for my clients to rest their arm on. So I'm getting rid of this, and even with this, it was just so much dust. Like I didn't even use it. You ate your foot? So that is all, you guys, that I have for you today. And I did get some stuff from Pretty Little Things. I got some coats and whatnot. I love Pretty Little Things, and you know, people who have cute stuff for plus size, okay? Because if you don't got cute stuff for plus size, then I can't rock with you. That's a whole nother topic though. But yeah, so that is all the stuff I got, guys. I am going to show you how the setup is after I set this stuff up. Hopefully my next video will be probably a mukbang. I'm thinking I probably won't be doing like the everyday vlog thing, only because it's just a lot. Like, it's a lot when you have 2 little children, you work full-time, you have them full-time during the day, and it's a lot. So I don't know if I will be doing that, but this nails tutorial, anything that has to do with nails, I'll probably be doing, as well as maybe a few makeup tutorials here and there, and mukbangs. So yes, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see what I have coming next, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Follow me on social media at starexist.beautybar. Also, I will put everything that I not everything that I purchased, but where I purchased it at, in the description below as well. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to this video. So I'm out of here. I'm rambling. So see you guys till next time. Bye. Okay guys, jumping right into the video. Here's my dust collector from Youngnails, medium size, thin, like it. There's the power button and the outlet that you need to plug up in order for it to work. It's very easy to remove the top. You just pop it right on off, and you can change the filter. Filters are also on their website. And this little black button here, if the top is not on, it will not work. So that's super cool. So you won't hurt yourself with the fan. So let's plug this up so you guys can see how it sounds. Okay guys, so that is it. Let's turn this off and jump right into the LED lamp. This is a small lamp. I don't think both hands will fit, but the bottom do slide out just in case you need to cure something that's not going to fit in the lamp. Also, It also comes with settings 10, 30, and 60, I believe, and low power just in case your client is sensitive to the lighting. It'll start off low and build up. You can put your hand in it and let it do a self timer. Also, you can push the timer so you'll know when it's the gel is cured. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.